Hello and welcome everyone to Tech Weekly, your weekly dose of news relating to tech, data science and AI from Board Infinity. क्या आपको पता है मार्क ज़करबर्ग का पहला प्यार क्या है? वेल, फेसबुक ऑफ कोर्स, बट अभी वो मेटा है. मेटा, जो कि मेटावर्स से डिफाइंड है, मार्क ज़करबर्ग के लिए ये दुनिया का फ्यूचर है. Company is so stringent on this thing that they are so excited to move the world towards metaverse. The Meta Connect conference will cover the company's progress for the future of metaverse, and it is also going to launch a very high-end VR headset that will help you dive into the metaverse. History often repeats itself, and so did Apple. Apple recently launched its iPhone 14, and as we told you in the previous episode of Tech Weekly, it is extremely similar to iPhone 13. In terms of design, you can literally put on your iPhone 13 case to it. But anyways, a new feature that is unveiled, it is satellite connectivity. And it is also told by 9 to 5 Google that Android 14 will also be able to support satellite connectivity. That means in hard terrain, you will be able to send emergency messages to connect with your loved one or get the initial help services. Bangalore is flooded, and so is Tech World. We just discussed how Facebook is launching its new VR headset. We discussed how iPhone is going to launch, and your favorite company, Google, is also going to launch its phones soon. On October 6th, it is expected that Google is going to launch its new set of Pixel phones, that is Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. To watch the teaser video, watch out the link in the description. डूबते को तिनके का सहारा, शायद नेटफ्लिक्स के लिए अब उनका एड टियर मॉडल बनने वाला है. नेटफ्लिक्स, एज वी डिस्कस्ड इन अर्लियर वर्जन्स ऑफ टेक वीकली, इट इज़ अबाउट टू लॉन्च अ एड टियर सब्सक्रिप्शन. It is now official that Netflix is going to launch its ad tier subscription on November 1st and the initial bids are on. Netflix चार्ज कर रहा है केवल और केवल $10 million अपना ad रन करने के लिए. Are you interested? Let us know in the comment section. But jokes apart, Netflix is going to launch these in countries including US, Canada, UK, France and Germany. तो Disney Plus जीतेगा या Netflix? Let us know in the comment section also. That's it for this week, guys. See you guys in the next one. Until then, keep learning, keep accelerating, and as always, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button.